so you all know, we have plenty of cans to get us through. We've got more things, cereals, and I've got plenty of teas over here. There's cereals. As you see, we've got plenty of water thanks to my mom and dad. It's about 12 o'clock. As you can see, the winds have picked up, the rain's cut down. So we're gonna start getting our more extreme stuff for a couple hours here. The power's flickered on and off about twice for just a moment a couple hours ago. Let's see how this goes. Good morning, everybody. CaffeineFox here. I know you see what's going on. I'm surprised I'm even on camera right now. The winds have picked up. There's steady rain, but I don't think it's going to be all that bad. I hear the south side of my town lost a lot of power, but it's only flickered here. I know it's going to get worse, so I'm just out here to get stuff from my car. I'll talk to you guys later. Alright, so it let up again. It's not storming so much right now. The winds have died down, but they're still kicking up once in a while. As you can see, my hair's still messed up from last time I came out here. It's about 1 o'clock right now. I have power still, and I have my final capstone essay for my graduation due on Sunday. Natural disaster pending, whether it can get in or not, but since I still have power, I'm going to spend the next bit while I still have power doing homework. I will check up with you if anything else changes, but right now that's where we're at. Alright, I hope you're all safe. 4:30, about, at least. If you can see right now, the clouds moving. They're actually moving right now to the east. The hurricane has moved north of us. There's no real issues going on. The clouds are moving to the east, I have to assume, because they're getting pulled back into the direction of the hurricane by a natural pull. Everybody's okay in this area. Power was only out in the south. Thankfully, our power companies were prepared and we only had 2 flickers, as I said before. There's going to be a little bit of light rain off and on, but everything happened pretty much how I predicted it, if not less than I predicted it. I'm very thankful for that. Thank you guys for watching so far. And I'm probably just going to leave this with a conclusion at the end of the video. Hey guys, it's around 7:30 right now. It looks like we actually missed pretty much everything. I'm very, very thankful for that. Just a side note to everybody, since I know there's a lot of mixed thoughts. I posted something on one of my pages saying that I was a little bit disappointed that my daughter did not have the opportunity of experiencing a natural disaster. What I meant by that was that what I meant by that was that I was a little disturbed, a little upset that she didn't get a chance to see a hurricane for what it was, instead of thinking it was an opportunity to party. If she's going to experience something like that, I didn't want her to associate hurricane with the word ice cream. So more like the fact that if this is happening, we were safe and we were in a house and I was there to hold her hand. But I'm really, really glad that a lot of prayers went out, and thank you everybody for all the prayers that went out. And I'm very glad that nobody I know actually got hurt, and the biggest blessing is going out to Haiti and anybody else who really did get impacted by this. Sorry, the wind's kind of shaking around the camera. But thank you guys for being really, really supportive and putting all that love and those wishes out there. I'm very, very glad that this ended up being more anticlimactic than anything. It really could have been a lot worse, and thanks for tuning in for this. I hope we have more adventures and not all of them being such a scare or a very potential scare. But you guys are awesome. Mad love, and we'll catch you soon.